and welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities at home with our toddlers. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. So if you are looking for some fun activities to do at home for the Christmas holiday, I have a couple in store for you. All you need is just some household items and your toddler. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one's going to be working with the alphabet. You can use both uppercase, lowercase, mix and match, and making a Christmas tree with the lights. The second one is going to be a Christmas tree using the pom-poms as ornaments, but you're also going to be color matching. So I'll show a little bit on that end. Let's go ahead and get going. For the first project, all you're going to need is just a piece of paper, markers, and then some dot stickers. And what I went ahead and did before my toddler came out was I made a Christmas tree out of the green marker, and then I made a string of lights going back and forth all the way down the tree. From there, I went ahead and did lowercase alphabet, so I went A through Z in order on the string of lights all the way down to the bottom. Next, I went ahead and took the dot stickers and I did all capital letters. You could keep each of them the same as far as all lowercase matching, all uppercase matching, or in this case, doing the lowercase matching with the uppercase. And we took it even a step further. I went ahead and mix matched the uppercase letters on the dot stickers. So it gave him a little bit more of a challenge as opposed to just going from A to Z on the lowercase, A to Z on the uppercase with the dots. A little fun trick with the dots, if you have the same ones that we have here, is if you could actually peel off the back ends of the sticker. So then it's easier for your toddler just to peel off all of the little dots. Just fun fact. Moving on. Once you have your toddler come out, they will match each of them with the letters, and you'll be able to create Christmas lights on a tree using the alphabet. Always a fun one. The Pom Pom Christmas Tree is also a really fun one to do. All you'll need, again, is just a few different supplies as far as a piece of paper, some coloring utensils, and the color choices of your pom-poms. You can go big, you can go small on the pom-poms, mix and match, whatever you want to do and be creative as you like. But I went ahead before my toddler came out, traced out the tree and created color coordinated dots to each of the pom-poms. And this way, when he comes out, he's going to match the pom-pom color to the circle dot on the Christmas tree. So we can work with colors, we can work with matching, we can count the amount of pom-poms we have at the end of it, we can count as we go. We can count each color. So there's all kinds of fun learning pieces that you could also do creating this tree. And then at the end, the result is all these pom-poms are your ornaments on a Christmas tree. I hope these are two fun activities that you can do at home with your toddlers. And as always, I hope you enjoyed my toddler activities for Christmas. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like it. And as always, have a great day and happy holidays.